Everything in one name, everything in one brand, and real token for real life. Yeah, we are going to talk about the Pahu coin at this time. What is Pahu token all about? Basically, in short, the Pahu wants to offer a variety of sites that can provide you services with crypto and make it easy for many users to access the crypto friendly services. And right now it is available on the EXT stock exchange in Ethereum pair. You can see it by yourself. Number of bids are over here and people are buying this token. So at this time it is such a great offer for you to learn each and everything regarding the Pahu coin. Before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. As I told you above, right now it is available on the EXT stock. So first of all, I am going to read up each and everything in the white paper of the Pahu coin. Here you can see the introduction as okay, and it is entirely basically necessary for all of you before entering, or before you can say before you have to basically invest anything, you must have to read each and everything. Here you can see that very soon they are going to launch their own currency exchange. Here they basically talk about that one. Our currency exchange will be built in partnership with a large currency exchange. This makes us the first step to having our customers. We do our job by supporting fiat currencies that will have our own customers. It means the Pahu coin very soon will basically give you a chance. For example, you have the fiat currency, for example you have the INR, or you have the US dollars or the euros or anything, then you'll be able to basically trade with your fiat currency. That is such a great thing regarding this coin, Pahu coin. Secondly, you can see the game sites. The game site makes us multi-level the referral system. This will have a lot of customers, and also if you don't have the budget, you can play with your referrals. It's a win-win goal institute this way. Here you can see this way to make sure that all get what is theirs. For example, if you don't have money but you have some friends on your Facebook, Twitter or anywhere, then you can share your own referral link, and with the help of multi-level the referral system, you will be able to play the games on that one platform. We also intend to build special games that are not or very unlikely to play with crypto, just like other projects have tried developing such. We want to improve and add more to the crypto field. Please, we will like to make it clear that we are not in any way competing with them. We are just trying to set a legacy. It is not like this that they are in the race with others. Basically the thing is this: they are trying to make a unique thing for all of the users. That basically the basic thing is this, that on this platform they are offering you multiple things. For example, if you don't have money, you can basically play with the referral system, and for example you have the fiat currency, then you can buy the crypto with that very fiat currency very soon. So that is basically the Pahu coin all about. The next thing, advertising site. The third and the main factor of the few sites dedicated exclusively to crypto, from currency exchanges, ICO and IEO, to miner machine sales. The advertising site will be divided into free and the paid sections, where the paid sections will use its own packages for better visibility. Regional, age and gender specific search capabilities make it easier to find your specific customer or seller. Our advertising site also runs a, basically you can say, a new section for some facilities that do not require physical presence. There will also be a referral system for our advertising sites so users can collaborate and earn money. Now we are going to talk regarding the advertising site. Basically, in the advertising platform of the Pahu coin, you have the chance to basically, for example, you don't have money but you want to basically make a new you want to make a new project regarding the crypto, so you want to advertise that one. Okay, if you have the referral system, you can basically do it with that one, so you don't have to pay. Or secondly, you can pay them and then you will find the specific person. For example you have at this time we can go like this. For example, you have the major thing that you want the ICO expert at this time, so you can find the exact person, ICO expert, directly from their platform. So that is such a great thing regarding the Pahu coin. So it is regarding the whole thing. The white paper is all about the Pahu coin. Now I'm going to show you the main platform of the Pahu coin. Here you can see, first of all, the major thing is basically the roadmap. Here you must have to read the roadmap, as they basically already told us that they will create an app, they will create their own wallet, then basically the advertising and marketing which is ongoing, and list to exchanges. Already, as I told you, that right now this coin is available on EXT stock. So basically what they are saying, they are basically on that one roadmap right now. Now you can also see in 2021 their roadmap is saying that launch on basically more exchange sites, and also they are going to launch their game site. And the basic thing, as I told you above in the white paper, in the C factor, you can see it by yourself, the advertising platform. In 2021 you will be able to use the advertising platform of the Pahu coin. That is such a great thing. And very soon in 2020, in hardly next 1 month or 2 months, you will be able to hold your all the tokens in the Pahu mobile app wallet. That is such a great thing, because any coin which has its own mobile app, it is such a great thing for that very coin. Because the thing is this, at the time when you have the chance to hold your token in your personal mobile wallet, then your all the assets will be quite secure. And here you can see the entire team of the Pahu coin, and whenever you want to talk with them, you can directly message them on the Twitter, LinkedIn or Facebook, and they are going to answer you. And here you can find out each and every link of the social media where you can message them directly and ask whatever you want to ask regarding the platform. Here you can also see the allocation of the entire platform of the Pahu coin, how basically they are going to allocate all the tokens among the all the users and holders, and also the team. So you must have to read each and everything regarding it. And also, as I told you above, that in the white paper, before entering into any project, you must have to read each and everything in the white paper, and then you have to decide either you have to go invest in it or not. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button. And also, if you have any type of questions regarding the Pahu coin, you must have to basically, comment section is basically open for you. You can comment over there, or secondly, you can directly message to the team, because the team support is over there for 24/7, and they are going to ask they are going to basically any type of questions they are going to clarify you. So thanks.